Hi everyone, in this video we learn uppercase letters or capital letters using these magnetic sticks and magnetic balls. If you find this video is useful to you, please give a like. A. First letter A. A. A is for apple. Next letter B. B. B is for baby. B-A-B-Y. B is for baby. And next letter C. 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 C is for car. C-A-R. Car. And next letter D. C after D. D. D is for dog. D-O-G. Dog. D after E. E. E for E. E for egg, elephant, ear. E. E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-D. Elephant. And next letter F. F is for fish. Frog. Fox. F after G. This is letter G. 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 G is for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. G is for grapes. And next letter H. H. H is for hut. Hut. H after I. I. I is for ice cream. I-C-I-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. I after J. 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 J is for J. J is for joker. 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 And J K after K. 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 K is for kangaroo. 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 And next letter L. K after L. L. L is for lion. 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 L after M. This is letter M. M. M is for monkey. 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 M after N. Letter N. N. N is for nose. 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 And after O. Letter O. O. O is for octopus. 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 O is for octopus. O after P. P. P is for parrot. 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 P after Q. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. And next letter R. Q after R. 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 R is for rose. 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 Next letter S. S is for strawberry. 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 S after T. T. T is for tongue. 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 Next letter U. U. for umbrella. 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 U after V. V. V is for violet. VIOLET. Violet color. W. 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 W is for watermelon. 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 W after X. X. X is for xylophone. Next letter Y. Y. Y is for yellow. YELLOW. Yellow color. And Z or Z. Zebra. Z. Y after Z. Z or Z. Zebra. 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 Thanks for watching.